A house with space for books. That's how the challenge for the Agrela House began in Paredes, a municipality east of the city of Porto, Portugal. One of the few premises of the owner would be to have space for many books, as they have a special prominence in the family's daily life. Immediately, our imagination transports us to the many images of classical libraries, with sliding stairs accessing the mountain of books neatly arranged on walls of generous heights. And it was in this image that the architects of Spaceworkers found the motto for intervention: a double-height space capable of assuming itself as the main and generating element of the composition and hierarchizing the interior spaces. The idea evolved, and volumetric experimentation led to the functional differentiation of the interior spaces, creating a roof with different heights. The roof fully assumes the status of a fifth facade with special importance in generating the remaining four. The roof, a restless mass reacting to the core functions of the dwelling with different heights, creates interior spaces with different heights that help to hierarchize the different moments of the house with its 365 square meters. Then a dense, heavy, monolithic-looking roof was created, which needed to be subverted, giving an idea of a levitating mass hovering over light elements of wood and glass. The roof seems to crush the users, reminding them of their own scale as human beings and the ancestral importance of shelter. an important architectural component, is also an essential agent of composition. The built elements, especially in concrete, seek to record the passage of time through the texture of their form. This formwork, similar to the variations of the roof, assumes highs and lows, protrusions and recesses, allowing it to keep time with the representation of shadows during different hours of the day, also giving a dramatic appearance to the facades. As time passes, the textured concrete will naturally age and integrate more into the rural environment. The same will happen with the wooden base, which, the older it gets, the more magnificent it will become, enriching the house.